Section 4, Reviewing and Coordinating Drawings. First video of Section 4 will be taking a look at preparing the documents for review. This is kind of an easy step to ultimately leverage all the comparison and side-by-side tools within Bluebeam. So with Bluebeam open, you can take a look at each of your drawings and kind of get an idea of what the size and if it has a scale associated with it. It's nice to have your drawings kind of the same size, just for when you're comparing them, it kind of matches up, especially with overlay and some of these other tools that literally take one sheet and put it on top of the other. But like even this one, if we zoom in, we can zoom into both of them, and they kind of need to be at the same size for that reason, because it may have some difficulties zooming in to the same area. When you're trying to get an idea of what you're looking at, it may zoom a little bit further on the other document than the other one that you're working with. So it's a good idea to just set that up, and generally in design should be the same size regardless. Just that is something to think about if you are getting different size sheets. So for example, when I zoom in here, we can see that it zooms in on the other sheet, and there are some differences on this PDF. And what we'll do is we'll take a look at comparing the two, just trying to find the differences, and then maybe searching some of the items within the PDFs as well. But it's just keeping in mind, regardless of the authoring software, either that be Revit or AutoCAD, just make sure that when you are reprinting the PDF, it's going to be the same exact size as the original one. And that'll just keep everything kind of efficient. You don't have to worry about scaling or sizing the PDFs differently. Get into Bluebeam and start leveraging the tools.